In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT answer multiple choice questions. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to chatgpt.com and log into your account. So making ChatGPT answer multiple choice questions is very quite easy. You just simply want to paste the multiple choice question or simply type in the multiple choice question yourself. So let's say I'm going to paste this multiple choice question. So in which country is basketball a major sport? And there should be A, B, C, and D. So simply hit enter and ChatGPT will answer this for you. So as you can see, the correct answer is B, United States of America. So that's how simple it is. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.